Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you are fine and doing well. As you know, we were done with the reading of word then in our last lecture. We were done with the pages 29, 30, 31 and 32. Today we are going to start from page number 33. Open your reader and open your book page, reader page 33. I'm going to start the reading. What then? One day he found that his seeds were being taken by someone. What then? Asked Akbar. Yet again, will you let me finish my sentence? Cried Birbal. He did not like Akbar's questions. All right, said Akbar. But what then? Birbal growled. Growled meaning, as I told you before, make a low voice in an angry manner. He thought, if Akbar asks same question, I shall teach him a lesson. Page number 34. The baker sat quietly in a corner and waited, said Birbal. He wanted to find out who was taking his seeds. What then? Asked Akbar, and then he saw a bird. It entered the shed. Shed mean hut, through an open window. It took a seed in its beak. It flew away. What then? Birbal was now furious. Furious means extremely angry. The baker watched. What then? And another bird flew in. What then? It picked up a seed in its beak and flew away. What then? A third bird came. It picked up a seed and flew away. What then? The fourth bird came. It picked up a seed and flew away. Akbar yawned and asked, how many birds are there to come? Yawn meaning open mouth widely, usually when you went tired or bored. On page number 35, Birbal smiled, Your Majesty. Majesty means power. He said only 4 have come so far. There are so many more. Akbar yawned again and said, Birbal, please stop. I am sleepy. The rest of the birds can come tomorrow. Akbar turned his head on his pillow and was soon fast asleep. Page number 36. And Birbal tiptoed out of Akbar's bedroom. Tiptoed meaning walk quietly. The next day, Akbar was bright and cheerful. Cheerful means happy. He said to Birbal, Birbal, I enjoyed your story. I slept well. What then? Asked Birbal. The fifth bird came. It took a seed and flew away, replied Akbar. Akbar and Birbal both laughed out loud. So students, we are done with our reading. Now I'm going to give you assignment. You need to do words meanings on your copies. First word is grumpy. It's mean bad tempered. Voice intelligent. Beak nib. Furious angry. Majesty power or authority. Next two questions. Question number 3. What suggestion did Birbal give to Akbar? Answer. Birbal asked Akbar to listen to some bedtime stories that will cure him. Question number 4. Who was Birbal? Birbal was a wise man at Akbar's court. Students, you need to do these two questions, question number 3 and 4 on your notebooks. Move on page number 37. This is just a reading. Limericks. West man. There was a young man from the west. who thought he looked best in a vest. He wore it all day at work and at play, and even when taking a rest. You can see in a picture there is a man who is in vest. On page number 38, Big Pat, a gigantic man called Big Pat. Gigantic means great, large, huge, great, large, or huge. Was really enormously fat. Enormously means to a very great degree. With his head in the air, he sat down in his chair, square on the poor cat, who is now flat. So students, today we are done with our whole syllabus. Next time you will have your revision worksheets. In our next lecture, I will provide you your revision worksheets, and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.